Have you ever spotted an old car that seems like a steal? Low mileage, shiny interior, and a price that's almost too good to be true? But beneath that polished exterior, it might be a ticking time bomb, ready to blow before it even hits 50,000 miles. Sounds rare, but it happens with plenty of popular models from brands everyone knows. The worst part? They often break down right after the warranty expires, leaving owners stuck with thousands in repair costs. In this list, you'll find familiar names hiding truths nobody likes to talk about. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Here are 9 cars that might die young before 50,000 miles. 9. Range Rover Evoque. It's a luxurious name many dream of owning, a symbol of European style and class. Compact, with a stunning design and the prestigious Range Rover badge, it seems almost perfect. But behind that sleek shell, the Evoque can leave owners in a frustrating bind. Its heart, the 2.0 SCI4 engine, has a fatal flaw: a poorly designed cooling system that causes sudden overheating. A leaking radiator, a failed gasket, or a faulty thermostat can warp the cylinder head or even kill the engine entirely. It doesn't stop there. The Evoque's automatic transmission often gets stubborn around 50,000 miles. Jerky gear shifts, delayed responses, and sluggish acceleration aren't just annoying. They can feel unsafe. The kicker? These issues tend to pop up right after the warranty ends, almost like a trap was set. Repair costs? Overhauling the transmission can run up to $9,000. If the engine's damaged too, you're looking at a 5-figure bill, often more than the car's resale value. Some owners just scrap it because repairs aren't worth it. And Land Rover? They've stayed mostly quiet, issuing only minor technical notices with no major recalls. So, if you see a used Evoque at a shockingly low price, ask yourself, why is a luxury SUV being sold so cheap? It might not be a deal, it could be an invitation to a financial nightmare. 10. Subaru WRX. Just hearing the name conjures images of fiery racetracks, roaring turbo engines, and the unyielding spirit of rally racing. On paper, it's a dream machine for speed lovers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, and aggressively styled. But under the hood lies a worrying truth. The FA20DIT engine, the soul of the modern WRX, is praised for power, but notorious for fragility. Pistons crack, connecting rods weaken, and head gaskets fail fast. Tragically, these issues can strike even before the car hits 50,000 miles. The irony? The WRX is built for spirited driving, hard acceleration, tight cornering. But that's a double-edged sword. The more you push it, the faster the engine crumbles. Common signs include blue smoke from the exhaust, engine vibrations, or loss of compression, all pointing to a massive repair bill. Rebuilding the engine? At least $5,000, sometimes hitting $10,000. Worse, Subaru often denies warranty claims, blaming modifications or overzealous driving, even on stock cars. Buying a WRX means being ready to shell out big or live with constant risk. In short, the WRX makes your heart race with excitement and anxiety, wondering when the engine might give up on you. The BMW X5 xDrive 35D. BMW brings to mind German engineering precision, thrilling performance, and undeniable luxury. The diesel 35D adds fuel efficiency and strong torque for long drives, making it sound like a winner. But in reality, it's a mechanical time bomb. The N57 engine should be robust, but it has a critical weakness: the timing chain. Unlike most engines, this chain sits at the rear, so replacing a stretched or broken one means pulling the entire engine out. The cost? between $6,000 and $10,000 just for the chain. That's not all. Owners also deal with side issues like leaking EGR coolers, stuck throttle valves, or clogged DPF filters. These trigger constant check engine lights, limp mode, or even catastrophic engine damage. Not every mechanic can handle the complex electronics or time-consuming diagnostics, so you're often forced to go to the dealer and pay sky-high prices. If you thought a diesel X5 would save money at the pump, think again. Those savings can vanish, multiplied, when the timing chain bomb goes off. This SUV might make you proud every time you pull up, but it's also a wallet drainer that many owners sell off before it's too late. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 6. Hyundai Elantra, 2011 to 2016. This compact sedan won over millions with its youthful design, affordable price, and impressive fuel economy. For many, the Elantra feels like a safe bet. Easy to drive, compact, and backed by a rising brand. But beneath its shiny exterior lurks a risk that can turn dreams of savings into a financial nightmare. The heart of the car, the Gamma GDI engine, 1.6L or 2.0L, is often called a ticking grenade. The problem? Poor lubrication design and piston slap issues cause oil to circulate unevenly. The result? Rapid wear on bearings, a knocking engine, and then complete silence. Worst of all, it often happens out of nowhere, sometimes while cruising on the highway. Owners describe it as the car dying right before their eyes. Replacing the engine costs $4,000 to $6,000, often more than the used car's market value. What's even more frustrating is Hyundai's response. For years, they blamed owners for improper maintenance, even when proof of regular oil changes was provided. Only after multiple class action lawsuits did Hyundai issue recalls, but not every car was covered. So, if you're eyeing a 2011 to 2016 Elantra because the price seems too good to pass up, remember, a cheap deal up front might lead to a massive repair bill later. 5. Jeep Cherokee 2.4L Tiger Shark. The name evokes images of a rugged American SUV, ready to conquer mountains or cross rivers. But beneath that tough exterior beats a fragile heart. The 2.4L Tiger Shark engine, meant to carry the spirit of off-road adventure, has a fatal flaw: excessive oil consumption. Some Cherokees burn through a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. For owners who don't check often, this means the oil level can drop to dangerous lows in just weeks. Then, without warning, the engine can seize up mid-drive. The root cause? Faulty piston ring design lets oil slip through, leading to dry engines, scratched cylinders, and total engine failure, often before 50,000 miles. Sadly, Jeep rarely owns up to it. Many owners are told at dealerships, it's normal for a Jeep to burn oil. But when the engine gives out completely, the repair bill is anything but normal, $5,000 to $7,000, sometimes more than the car's resale value. The irony? The Cherokee can climb hills, ford streams, and tackle tough trails. But it might fail you on your daily commute. If you see a Tiger Shark Cherokee listed at a tempting price, beware. The previous owner might be trying to offload a ticking oil bomb. Ward, Mini Cooper, N14 engine, compact, quirky, and full of charm. The Mini Cooper has long been a dream car for young drivers and fans of classic European style. But if it's powered by the N14 engine, that charm can quickly turn into tragedy. The fatal weakness lies in the timing chain, a component meant to be durable, but, in the N14, a glaring Achilles heel. At first, it's just a faint rattle from the engine bay, easily dismissed as minor. But that's the infamous death rattle, a sign the chain is stretching or losing tension. If it slips out of sync, pistons can smash into valves, causing irreparable damage. This often happens before 50,000 miles, an age when most cars are still in their prime. Repair costs? At least $5,000 for a new chain and minor fixes. If the damage spreads, you're looking at $8,000 or more, sometimes requiring a full engine replacement. Heartbreakingly, even owners who follow maintenance schedules religiously aren't spared. This flaw is practically baked into the N14's DNA. So, when you spot a sleek, affordable Mini Cooper at a used car lot, don't let its cute looks fool you. Check the engine code. If it says N14, walk away fast. Behind that charming smile could be a painful financial fall. 3. Chevrolet Equinox 2.4 Ecotec. On the surface, this is the quintessential family SUV. Spacious, affordable, and a common sight in supermarket parking lots. Many choose the Equinox thinking it's reliable, practical, and low risk. But beneath that friendly facade lies an unacceptable secret. The 2.4L Ecotec engine is a certified oil addict. No warning lights, no clear signals, just oil levels dropping with every 1,000 miles. Some Equinoxes burn through a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. If you don't check regularly, the engine runs dry. The consequences hit fast. Scratched cylinders, burnt valves, total loss of compression, and a dead engine, often before 50,000 miles. What's infuriating is GM's response. They simply suggest checking oil more often. But who buys a family SUV expecting to top off oil like it's a race car? When disaster strikes, the only fix is an engine overhaul or replacement, costing at least $4,000. Sadly, many repaired Equinoxes never feel the same again. So, if you're shopping for a dependable family SUV, don't be fooled by the Equinox's tame appearance. Underneath, an engine might be quietly destroying itself, eating away at your wallet one day at a time. 2. Ford Focus 1.0L EcoBoost. When it debuted, this tiny turbocharged engine was hailed as a game changer. Compact, fuel-efficient, yet surprisingly powerful. On paper, it's the perfect formula for a modern car. But in reality, many owners find themselves stuck with a ticking time bomb under the hood. The fatal flaw? A faulty cooling system. Design issues let coolant leak or vanish without a trace. When the engine runs without proper cooling, it takes just minutes for the block to crack, pistons to burn, and the entire engine to give out, sometimes before 50,000 miles. The familiar scene. You're driving along, the temperature gauge spikes, white steam pours from the hood, and the car goes silent. Worse, Ford denied the issue for years, often blaming owners for poor maintenance. Only after thousands of complaints and lawsuits did they issue technical bulletins and extend warranties in some markets. For those less lucky, replacing the engine costs $5,000 to $7,000, a tough pill to swallow for a compact car sold as economical. So, if you spot an older EcoBoost Focus for a great price, beware. That bargain might just be a one-way ticket to a massive repair bill. 4. Nissan Altima 2.58 CVT. On paper, this sedan seems ideal. Sleek styling, good fuel economy, a comfy interior, and roomy enough for families. With its reasonable price, many see the Altima as a smart choice. But beneath the shiny exterior lies an Achilles heel that has tarnished its reputation: the CVT transmission. The problem is serious. Many owners report the transmission slipping, jerking, or losing power entirely, sometimes as early as 40,000 to 50,000 miles. The culprits? Weak metal belts, unoptimized software, and chronic overheating. When the CVT fails, replacement is often the only option, costing $4,000 to $6,000, sometimes more than the car's market value. What's maddening is that Nissan knew about the issue. Hundreds of lawsuits and thousands of complaints piled up over years. Yet, instead of a clear recall, they opted for extended warranties or vague technical bulletins. For buyers of used Altimas, support is often non-existent. Mechanics have even given the Altima a bitter nickname, the CVT lottery, because it's not if, but when, the transmission will quit. So, if you're considering a used Altima at a tempting price, ask yourself, are you buying a family sedan or stepping into a mechanical gamble where losing is almost guaranteed? These 9 cars share a grim trait: major failures before 50,000 miles, with repair costs often exceeding the car's value. From fragile engines and faulty CVTs to abnormal oil consumption, they're financial traps disguised as bargains. The lesson? Don't just focus on mileage or price. Research the engine, transmission, and recall history before deciding. A moment of carelessness today could cost you dearly tomorrow. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.